As I loved my devotional this morning, as it talked about negative thoughts, things we don't want to think about. And if you're like me, the more that you try not to think about something, the more that you actually think about it. And I like the analogy that they gave. It's kind of like having a cup filled with dark liquid. You know, that's what our mind can be sometimes, these negative thoughts that we don't want to have. And what happens is, we can't pour ourselves upside down and empty the cup of dark thoughts or the things that we don't want to think about. But one of the things that we can, just like that cup, is we can continually pour in good water, good thoughts, good images, good material, good things that start to then basically take out that dark liquid, and before you know it, we have a clear cup, we have clear liquid, we have clear thoughts, we have better thoughts, thoughts that we desire to actually have in our life. So listen, you can't get rid of the bad thoughts by just thinking about them. You'll think about them more, but you can by continually pouring good things in.